BMW dealerships are expected to be buzzing starting this summer, with the luxury brand today announcing plans to add several new models to the i4, i7, and 7 Series lineups for the 2024 model year. Slated to join the i4 family sometime in the third quarter of this year, the new 2024 BMW i4 xDrive40 is basically the all-wheel drive version of the rear-drive xDrive40. Thanks to an electric motor powering the front axle, the i4 xDrive40 provides extra traction and an additional 61 horsepower, 396 total. Along with its 443 pound-feet of torque, BMW claims the i4 xDrive40 accelerates to 60 miles per hour in 4.9 seconds. It uses an 80.7 kilowatt-hour battery pack, with the company estimating it's good for 307 miles per charge. The latter estimate is on the standard 18-inch wheels. Opting for the 19-inchers is expected to drop the range to 282 miles. However, neither figure has yet been certified by the EPA. The i4 xDrive40's starting price is $62,595. A year after receiving a complete redesign, the gas-burning 7 Series lineup is joined by a plug-in hybrid variant called the 750e. The new model pairs a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six with an electric motor sandwiched between the engine and the automatic transmission. The culmination is a combined 483 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque. The 2024 BMW 750e xDrive features all-wheel drive and is said to offer an all-electric driving range of over 35 miles. When it goes on sale this fall, the PHEV sedan will start at $107,995. For those who don't want to deal with a plug, BMW also adds an all-wheel drive option for the 375 horsepower 740i, which will hit dealerships sometime in the third quarter of this year with a starting price of $100,395. When the fully electric BMW i7 debuted last year, it was only offered as the 536 horsepower, all-wheel drive xDrive60. For 2024, it'll be bookended by two new models, the 650 horsepower, all-wheel drive i7 M70 and the rear-drive xDrive50. The latter model features a single electric motor making 449 horsepower. BMW currently doesn't list its estimated range or performance figures, both of which the company says will be announced before it hits the market this fall. The 2024 i7 xDrive50 will have a starting price of $106,695. Stay tuned to AutoRBX for all the latest, and let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.